Ki jingkan no bat jingkan tho babon hakabede bat ki kam haka MeECL kim pat kut satya hadu menta. UMLA ke sang Kongres Zenith sangma ulakan tho teng ek jingkam jong menteri ketenat penmi boarding kejela James PK sangma halor kejing Thung MK Chetry komu director distribution ke MeECL badong. Ba kani kejingle jong menteri kedai ke babakla shibon kat kum ki record ki badan ha ke office namar Chetry ude ubasan ha ke thop kerteng jong ki engineer ki balarang ba atam. UMLA ke sang Kongres Zenith sangma ulong bagi jengkam menteri ketenat penmi boarding James PK sangma balatung MK Chetry komu director distribution namar ude engineer balarang ba atam ha ke MeECL. Kalau babakla shibuan kat kum ki record ki berana ke office baru Chetry ulong ubasan ha ke thop kerteng jong ki engineer ki balarang ba atam. Zenith sangma ulong bagi jengkam jong James PK sangma kalau babakla. Henry ulong pat ba une Chetry ude ubasan ha katup kerteng jong ki engineer. Ule tu Chetry ulong hapo jeki wei pat ba kapor ba kentiu kerdan yu komu chief engineer ha ubanai leber ke senam arajar arpo. Uba match bon marbanyang ulalet ujor syaka high court ba kiyeng syari ke lepen mi de hukum ba de ban kentiu kerdan chief engineer ya uba marbanyang. Zenith sangma ula keno ba kejing kentiu kerdan berkejing Thung Chetry komu director distribution kamlong ke bakhoj. Bat kadi gijing khanglat di try jela ke bela iba kakam ban long director. Ulong bau presiden ke UDP uba met ba leng do ubalong ru ulam phang ke dor bar thawan ke jela ula pha khmi benya halor ke kakam Thung director. Ndai ke sarkar kelale bampatiau ndai ke ailat Chetry menchimti ke director ha kalai trek ujemang.
There are people in the government and MeECL, be the minister power or the chief minister. They have got some unlawful intention. It is alleged to be having some unlawful intention. Otherwise, why they would wait till such time when Mr. Chetry would be eligible to occupy the post of director of distribution? And right after his promotion was announced, there has been lots of resentments, lots of opposition from different social activities, different NGOs, and in spite of that, the government has gone ahead with a promotion and allowed Mr. MK Chetry to join as Director of Distribution on the 3rd of May 2021.
Zenith sangma ulakentu iginong yalam jang giseng riulum kebedan lang hak sarkar MDA ban sheme karai ban yadai ke jela namar gejing temu jang ke sarkar kalong ban daily lam no ek MeECL daga ba syem ram haduk mandapoi upot bakan omla ban siu bat omde ban aila du James PK sangma bon beteng ban long menteri katenat penmi boarding. Uni unong yalam ke Kongres ulong bau menteri rang ba ke jela Konrad Kongkal sangma ula betha bantung ya ke kenhun toket ke balat luat. Henry ke seng Kongres keladawa baya ke jing toket de ban pha ha ke CBI. Namar ke de ke kenhun ke bajuti benia agi kam bamsap bat ban penti kena bagani ke jing toket kan long ke bakhoj bat de ban weng no shwayu James PK sangma kom menteri jong katenat penmi boarding.
Meghalaya is generating only 60 megawatts of power out of 350 installed capacity. That means we are losing 290 megawatts on daily basis. So if we consider 80% to be in operation also, we are losing generation capacity of 232 megawatts daily. If it is converted into units, that means 232 into 1000 into 24 is coming to 55 lakhs 68,000 units. In other words, 5.568 million units. So, if we calculate or if we evaluate this, say if we consider it to be at a rate of 3 rupees. So 3 into 55 lakhs, 68,000. That means it is more than 1 crore 67 lakhs. That means we are losing 1 crore 67 lakhs of revenue daily, on daily basis. So if we calculate it for 30 days, that means we are losing the revenue of more than 50 crores in a month. It's a big amount. If we are losing the revenue of more than 50 crores in a month, that means in whole year it is around 600 crores. Is it not a big amount? Why then the MeECL and its leadership is not giving priority to repair these machines and allow all the power installed capacity, according to the installed capacity, to allow it to generate fully. Therefore, I feel that the MeECL should pull its socks and rectify it immediately. The Honorable Chief Minister has ordered to set up an independent inquiry. But when there has to be independent inquiry, it should not be less than CBI, because it is a premium agency which deals with the corruption. And while doing so, it should allow free and fair inquiry. And to do that, the present minister power and chairman cum managing director should be removed to enable to have a free and fair inquiry.